News just in, news just in. This is absolutely incredible. Do you know why I'm a great believer in the supernatural and you're not?
I do.
I've got proof. I've got proof.
How?
Earlier in the programme, well, we were in a man's garden in Leeds. His name was Nick Wilson and he created this tropical garden. And
Yes.
I jokingly said to him, you'll find a Japanese soldier
You
there,
did.
you know, since Second World War in the back garden. Well, maybe we did. Maybe we did. Have a look at this. Look over at Nick's left shoulder there. If we zoom in, we can just see that. That looks like, what's that? It's like a pygmy head.
It's light on a leaf.
Oh, to be ridiculous, darn. It's obviously a face. It's a poltergeist or something, isn't it? It's green. It's like something from Ghostbusters. Or it could be... Do you know who it could be? No.
Who?
I was just thinking... No. Anyway.
What? Who?
No, it doesn't matter.